Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making a super easy pan-seared scallops. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification if you haven't as yet. Now let's cook. So guys, here we have our scallop. Now I'm gonna be adding oil to it just so that the season can stick. Guys, remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't as yet. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. So guys, to season it, I'm using black pepper, garlic salt, and onion powder. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of parsley just to give it color. So guys, in a small skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna allow that to heat on medium-high heat until it starts to smoke just a little bit. Now that the pan has heated, now I'm going to be adding my scallop one at a time. Now I'm going to sear it for about 2.5 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. So now guys, I'm gonna be flipping my scallops, and these are the perfect sear that I'm looking for. Now after you flipped all your scallop, you can go ahead and add chopped garlic, which is optional if you want, just for added flavor. So guys, this is the final product. I went ahead and I garnished those with some dill. I love you guys so much for watching. You can go ahead and serve this up with some garlic mashed potato, even pasta or risotto. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. Love you guys so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.